Hey, what's going on? Sorry I have, sorry I have not, got, any good videos up lately, but I lost my camera, so, I mean my charger for my camera, so that's really what I haven't been doing. I've been doing them on my iPhone. They look kind of clear, like, blurry a little bit, because, I have my case on there, and it has, like, protective coverage over the camera, so that's kind of why it look like it. But anyway, this video is actually my Grizzly G0555p bandsaw. It's the Polarbear series. Go get the fence, Robbie.
Oh, okay.
And the push stick. It actually has this nasty shit on there. I have to get some mineral spirits to get it off, and I don't think I have any. I couldn't find any, but we'll get that off. And I had not tested it yet. It has not been turned on. I just finished getting it put together. Took me a little while, but we must wait till Robbie gets here, and it's tracking decent. So, you ready, Robbie? Here we go. Let me come over here.
Put this on.
Yeah, go ahead, Robbie. So we are about to start it up. We have not. I promise you, we have not turned it on. You ready, Robbie?
Yep.
Oh, you have to go flip the light on. Y'all, listen how quiet it is. So we're gonna cut a few things, and Robbie's gonna film me. Just a piece of quick plywood. We're gonna run through here.
Virgin cut.
That is the virgin cut. I mean, y'all can really tell how quiet this thing is, but damn, that thing's quiet as hell. But anyway.
Tell about the problem we had fixing that thing.
Yeah, well, anyway, we had to actually track it, which is no big deal, but Robbie and I, we couldn't figure it out. We couldn't read the direction and figure it out. Finally, we messed around with these right here. Set the locking nuts and shit like that, and got it finally tracking correctly. You can see the light. Hold on. I'll get it turned off again. It's pretty funny, but just listen how quiet that shit is. That's awesome. But this is from Grizzly.com. They shipped it to me in about 2 days. I ordered it on Tuesday, and they brought it to me late last night, probably around 7 or so. But anyway, y'all saw the virgin cut, which, you know, it's pretty damn cool. So yeah, and we will finally start making chairs soon. I need to get a planer, which it's going to take me a few weeks, so we might go ahead and start and just kind of do it by the seat of our pants, or we'll wait. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and so let's go take a look at the box. Sorry I didn't do an unboxing. I couldn't find the charger for the camera. Walk over here. This is about how big the box was, and it's about 200 pounds, which Robbie and I now have to come in here and clean everything up. But, I mean, we put it together just right here, and then carried it in there. And like I said, 200 pounds later, I mean, that's heavy shit.
Turn all the lights off.
Turn all the lights off?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, really?
No, not leaving yet, but we get them to look one more time. So, anyway, it's here. We might slide it back a little bit more. I don't know yet. But we got to get this nasty shit off the top of there. And yeah.
Mineral water for that.
So one more look. This is the Grizzly G0555p Polarbear series bandsaw. They make another one. This is the G0555, and it's actually this color here, which is, y'all can't tell, but like a greenish color. Dark, like greenish tealish kind of color. But yeah, we put it together in probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. And yeah, so got the scroll saw and the router table there, and Yeah, the miter saw, table saw's back there, and this is probably where the center of this is probably where the thing's gonna go. The planer when we get it. So, well, appreciate y'all watching, and yeah, get this video up, and y'all rate, comment, and subscribe. Talk to y'all later.